All right, go ahead.
What's the appropriate way to get into the machine?
These are walk-through forks, so just walk through them.
Wow, look at
Yeah.
that. Why is the floor, I guess it's hollow under there.
Pull the thing down. One, you got to pull that down, and then there's this green button right here.
This one?
Yeah.
All right.
Press
Do what?
it. Once you press it, now you're like,
Locked in?
now you can actually move the machine.
So you can't do it until you
Yeah.
have that
And if you
pushed.
lift that up, it locks the machine again, so you can't move.
So like if there was an emergency,
You flip up that bar, yeah.
okay.
All right.
Not that I'm anticipating an emergency, but I'm anticipating an emergency.
All right, so this one here moves forward and backward, turn left to right.
Okay.
And then the one on the right moves a bucket. Pull it back.
This
pull,
back?
Yeah, pull that back. It's gonna lift it up. Now go down, push it. Tilt it to the left and the right. Tilts it down and
I can do it now?
Yeah.
Even with the forks on?
yeah,
If it's all the way down, tilt it?
yeah, I got it.
Oh, that way.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm thinking tilt side to side for some reason. It's
Yeah.
too far down, isn't it?
Well, it never tilts side to side.
I know. Well, I was like, that's weird.
All right, now lift up the arm. The right.
This?
No, the boom.
Oh.
Pull
Wait,
back.
what's that? This?
Yeah. All right, not that far. Go down.
Just so it's not on the ground?
Down, yeah, a little bit lower. That's good. The throttle's right here. All right. So first I'm gonna have you back up, and then just back straight up, and then turn in the street.
So wait, what do I do with my feet?
Nothing. That's it.
Nothing?
You-
Everything's with your hands.
Yeah.
Then what are these two, like, plates?
That's for the old style machine. You can get them with foot controls. Everything
Okay.
you're doing there, you can do. It's a
All
different.
right, so
different
nothing
option.
with my feet.
Yeah.
I could tap dance while I'm running the machine and it wouldn't matter.
The only thing that would happen is this thing right here. If you press that, then
What's that?
That's the throttle. Like how I just turned the engine up,
Okay.
that would make it go faster. That's.
Do I have to be in the middle when I'm actually moving it?
I'd have it at least in the middle. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
I'm terrified.
All right. Back straight up.
So I just pull this back,
Straight backwards.
and then when I'm done moving, I just put it back in neutral.
You just let go. If you let go of the machine, it stops moving.
All right.
Go ahead. Now turn to the right.
I just turn it, do this
Move
to the
this.
right?
Yeah, move that to the left.
All
To-
right.
Move it to your right. Just drive straight. I'm gonna put the forks over here.
Say what?
So I want you to drive over here and put the forks over here.
In front of the nut?
In front of the trailer.
Okay.
Try.
Huh?
Try not to turn on this where the asphalt is.
Oh.
Yeah, just try. You're fine now. Just go straight. Turn on the concrete or turn on the asphalt. Don't try.
So
don't,
go straight, then turn.
Yeah, once you get on the concrete.
All
yeah.
right.
Keep going.
Oh.
All right.
Now?
Keep going.
Where? Oh, in front of that trailer?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Turn this way a little bit?
Hold on. Now, see where the button says up on the Bobcat? No, down
Where?
in between. There's a button in between.
Here?
Yeah. Press up on that, and you'll watch this come up. Keep holding it.
Oh, on the thingamajiggers.
Yeah.
I'm sure they have a formal name.
All right. Now, lower the arm.
This.
Yeah, push forward. And then tilt it to the right to push it forward.
Go this way with this.
Yeah.
Whoa.
All right, stop. All right, back up first. All right, stop. Tilt it back up. Tilt to the left.
This way.
Keep going. All right, we're gonna go put the bucket on. You can turn right here if you want.
All right. I'm not gonna hit anything, am I?
All right, good.
All right. This is less terrifying than I thought.
Try and line up with the bucket. Now you tilt this forward again a little bit. You're gonna have to line this under here.
Under that?
Yeah, under this. All right. That's too much. Steer it.
What?
You gotta line this up. That has to meet under here.
So I need to go down to the right.
You're down as far as you can go. Just, yeah, go a little to your right.
Wait, the machine or the tilt?
Don't touch anything with the tilt. Drive the machine a little bit over that way. Keep coming. That's good.
Now go forward?
Yeah. Now you gotta come back this way. You gotta line these up.
Under those plates?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, I see. How do I do this?
Just push it. I'm saying you're gonna have to drive into the bucket a little bit. There you go, stop. Now
Okay.
you lift up and push.
Which is left? To lift up?
You're gonna pull the right stick back, and then you're gonna have to move forward a little bit.
Okay.
All right,
Whoa.
curl it in.
Back? No.
No, curl it.
Right, right.
No, the
Left.
to the left, yeah. On the right stick. Stop. Now press that and close
Down.
that. Yeah. And now to make sure that it's locked in, lower the bucket and then try pushing and lift the front of the machine up.
Alright.
So basically lower the arms.
Wait. Push down. Push this forward.
Lower the arms.
I'm asking, I do this forward, right?
What?
I move this forward to put it down.
Yeah. And then press it to the right. Keep going. Lift it. Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Alright. Now come back down.
Yeah. All right. You have stone in the bucket. Lift it up to like here, and then dump it down.
Whoa.
Lift the arms up. Pull back. Yep. Now jiggle it left to right a little bit. Now you curl it back up.
Wait, this way? Yeah.
And then go down with the arms. That's it. One thing you have to watch, see how like if you raise it up, the bucket stays and it gets the angle gets more and more steep, that's how you end up wearing a load of stone.
Oh.
Because it just keeps coming, so you have to like level it as you drop down. Yeah, I've had stone fly over the machine, like on my lap. That's why you drive slow. All right, you can basically just put the machine over there.
All right. Where do I park it?
Straight. All right. Now you can turn this way.
How much?
Lower the bucket.
I don't think I can go any lower.
Lower, I'm saying lower, tilt it forward.
Wait, this way? No.
To the right. Keep going. Keep going. Go all the way down. All right. Now turn to the right.
Turn the whole machine?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna.
Lift it up. I was trying to get you to move this with the machine.
Yeah.
You're at a weird angle and it's not going to work.
Okay.
Just hold on. Just come up here without hitting anything. Down.
The bucket down?
Yeah. Could you see this here?
Yeah.
All right. Keep coming. That's good.
Am I rocking on the concrete?
Not really.
Okay.
You're stable now.
What do I do now?
Lift up the arm.
This?
Yeah, see, watch. Lift it up and watch up there. Watch the light come on. See? All the
This?
lights came on?
Yeah.
No, all
Wait.
the red lights came
Oh,
on?
that?
Yeah. That's it. Now you just turn this down to the turtle. Take the key out. That's it.
Wow.
Good job.
That was less terrifying than I thought. I thought I was going over the hill. Not that I thought I was going over the hill, but when we were very close and I'm trying to put a bucket on, I was worried about pushing the wrong button
Yeah, and ending up with the bucket over the hill.
and going over the hill.
The boom's really hard to get on. Once it starts going downhill, it's very difficult. We did it.